Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here's the latest news. COVID-19, average daily vaccinations drop on supply, hesitancy issues. Here's the whole news. There is a dip in average daily vaccination against COVID-19 which fell to 37.2 lakhs doses in the week of July 5 to 10 from over 61.1 lakh doses in the week starting June 21 and nearly 42 lakh doses in the following week, June 28 to July 4, CoWIN data shows. While the decline in the vaccination has raised concerns, the government is expecting to maintain a daily average of 40 to 45 lakh doses in July with an estimated supply of at least 12 crore doses this month, an official source said. According to the sources, the slowdown in the vaccination is primarily because of some disruptions at Bharat Biotech's Bengaluru plant, which resulted in delay of supply of some batches of Covaxin that were expected in the beginning of this month. It is a new facility with a large-scale fermentation plant. The trial batches were disrupted during the standardization process and therefore the supply of Covaxin was less than expected. That has been sorted out now, the official said. CoWIN data shows the decline is mainly driven by the less number of people initiating first dose and a lower uptake in the rural areas. Between June 25 to 30, the number of daily doses administered in the rural areas were in the range of 9.9 lakhs to 44 lakhs. However, it dropped to 8 lakhs to 38.1 lakhs doses between July 1 to 9. Talking about urban areas, the daily doses varied from 8.2 lakhs to 31.8 lakh doses during June 25 to 30, whereas during July 1 to 9, around 7.6 lakh to 27.8 lakhs were given. The combination of progressive reopening and declining vaccination numbers is dangerous. We are not really protected against the current Delta variant until we are fully vaccinated 60 to 70% of the population by December. For that, we need to administer 90 lakh to 1 crore doses per day, and that needs vaccine stocks which we seem to be running short on. If we can't vaccinate enough, I am afraid we need to be obsessed about COVID appropriate behavior and rethink relaxing restrictions, says Dr. Arvinder Soin, the chairman of Medanta Liver Transplant Institute. However, the average daily vaccination still remained above the pre-June 21 level, and officials said pace of vaccination is likely to pick up again in the following weeks. So here it is, the whole news. Keep watching Such News Network.